I'm about to send some rounds down through the EDC. 20 rounds. I just got 2 mags loaded with 10 rounds in each mag, just to send a few down through my EDC, because this is probably the gun I shoot the least, you know, and mainly just because, you know, I have other guns that I want to have fun with, have a good time, you know, things like that. So, but you still want to get that training there, keep that good, you know, make sure you get your training there with your main gun. So yeah, so like I said, it's empty now. Got 10 in each mag. Got a fresh target up there. So we're gonna go ahead and make it do what it do.